In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a video in Clipchamp, step by step. If you're new to Clipchamp or just getting started with video editing, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open your project, import your media, and add your video to the timeline so you can start editing right away. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Clipchamp, logging to your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your recent video projects displayed on the screen. To upload a video into a project, you need to open the specific project where you want to add your media. So go ahead and locate a video project you created recently on the home page. This will usually appear under your recent project section. Next, click directly on the project thumbnail. This will open the Clipchamp video editor for that specific project. Give it a few seconds to load completely. Once inside the editor, you'll see the preview window, the timeline at the bottom, and the media panel, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll manage and upload all your files, including videos, images, and audio. Now that your project is open, look to the left side panel and find the Import Media button. Click on Import Media. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to select files from your computer. Browse through your folders and locate the video file you want to upload. Click on the video file, then press Open. Clipchamp will begin uploading your video into the project's media library. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your video appear inside the media section of your project. From here, you're ready to add it to your timeline. To do that, click on the video in the media library, hold your mouse button down, and drag the video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Release the mouse button to drop it into place. You have now successfully uploaded and added your video to the editing timeline. After placing the video on the timeline, you can start editing right away. You can trim the clip by dragging the edges inward, split the video using the split tool, add text, transitions, music, or apply filters and effects. But the most important step is getting your video uploaded and onto the timeline, and now you know exactly how to do that. That's it. You've successfully learned how to upload a video in Clipchamp, open your project, import your media, and drag it into the timeline for editing. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow Clipchamp guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.